Assalamu alaikum ya Tulab. Yes, so as promised, I said I will read through the vocabulary on page 3. That is module 1, page 3E, vocabulary. Right, so please read with me and we will do this fairly quickly because this is revision. Okay, and as you know, based on what I sent previously, you need to be able to read and write these short words. Number 1, ah. 2, E. Number 3, U. 4 is B. Then 5 to 8. First one, La. 6, Li. 7 is Ta. And 8 is Ow. 9 to 12. First one, number 9, Bowl. 10, Lil. 11, Lal. And 12 is Lan. 13 to 16. Number 13, An. 14, In. 15, Ab. And 16, Ana. Remember, we don't pull this na. We don't say ana. It's ana. Type. And in terms of 15, remember Ab. That is qalqala on the ba because it's sakin. Right? As I explained to you, it's actually abun, which can also become abin or aban. But if it's shown just like this, you just read ab. 17 to 20. In. 18. An. 19. Anta. 20. Anti. Right, so as you can see with inna and anna, there are shaddas on the noon. So we read it with ghunna and the noon will be doubled. Right, so remember that. Ghunna means the sound will come through your nose as well as through the mouth. In terms of 19 and 20, when we read these two words, anta and anti, you can also hear the sound coming through the nose there. But this is what we call ikhfa, because we have nun sakina, and nun with a sukoon, which we call nun sakina, followed by a ta. You know, whether the ta is fatha, kasra or dhamma, that doesn't matter. But if we have nun sakina followed by a ta, we will get what we call ikhfa, and then it's basically a merging of, you see, when we speak Arabic, we sometimes just say anta, anti, which is not wrong, but in Quranic Arabic, you know, we sort of read it with more in terms, you know, that ikhfa comes through more in terms of the rules of Tajweed al-Quran. So then it becomes more anta and anti. Of course, both mean you. Anta, you for a male, anti, you for a female. But this reading, we're not concentrating on the meanings. It's merely to listen and read so that you can rewrite these words correctly. That's the exercise. 21 to 24. 21. Nabata. 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 Remember, these are short sounds. So don't read nabata. That's long. It's nabata. Whether you read it slow or fast. Nabata. Nabata. Second one, 22. Still short sounds. Abati. 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 23. Naba'a. 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 24. Ibili. 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 Then from 25 onwards, 25 is tubtu. Tubtu. Again, we have the ba with the sukoon. So that ba will be read with some, it's qalqala. So we read it with a bit of a jerk there. Tubtu. Tubtu. 26, same thing. Tubata. Tubata. 27, tubati. Tubati. 28, ibna. Ibna. Right, and the last row, 29, ibnu. Ibnu. Bintu. Number 30, bintu. 31, binti. So you see the same happens with bintu and binti as we saw happening with anta and anti. Because again we have a nun sakina followed by a ta with a haraka, a, I, o. It doesn't matter. And 31 is laban. Laban. Shukran.